is the perfect place to build a tent. But it is biological or something.
I think we should follow the manual.
It's in Korean. And anyway, men are weird. They in the tools. It's natural.
You know what's not natural? You are alone. You've been failing at this tent for an hour.
You thought you could do better than me? Then go ahead.
Even if we can stop.
The ghost of the forest doesn't like our
Maybe it says I got Hey, what's you want to teach him a
Wait, what's happening to me?
Who's this body? Who am I?
My voice is tired. Oh my god. This current is impossible. I'm feeling so cold. Why am I wearing all these jeans?
Not so. Build for survival. Now, are we?
I don't know how to remove it.
Why it is not working in here? I can't lit the fire here.
Welcome to Daily Struggle Buddy.
So, we can't just rest, can we?
Hahaha. Now, imagine you are doing this every day while being cold. Your real joy is waiting at home.
I cannot control myself.
Okay. I swear, I did not thought the girls will suffocate this much. It's just weird or something else.
I didn't speak up, but I know something is wrong.
It is cursed, but not punishing. It's opening our eyes.
Hey spirit, we got it.
It's enough. Let's go to sleep.
Yeah guys, I am back in my body and my voice.
My face is normal. I am so happy.
That was intense.
Yanli, I will cook